Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Butter Tactical One dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Tactical One dildo by Butter itself, a very interesting and unique design dildo. Now this is an XXL dildo, so this is not recommended for beginners and is therefore recommended for advanced and expert users only who are experienced in anal play. Now, as mentioned, this dildo is for experienced users, but it's also a challenge for them as well. The total length is 25.5 centimeters, the insertion depth is 23.9 centimeters, the minimum diameter is 5.4 centimeters, and the maximum diameter is 8.2 centimeters. The top is smaller than the bottom and the smooth material makes penetration easier. It also features a strong suction cup, and this dildo pairs perfectly with a fisting lubricant. So you can enjoy this hands-free as well, and it is firm yet flexible as well, and with the little bulb at the end just here, it makes it even more stimulating. We can recommend to use the Butter Fisting Gel. Now the fist gel is water-based, so it's safe to use in combination with latex condoms and also silicone sex toys. You can add as little or as much as you want, and it's a very smooth and thick consistency which is perfect to use in combination with this toy. You can also use a water-based lubricant or an anal-based lubricant for extra comfort too. Make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Butter Tactical One dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.